Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. I know it has been a long time since I didn't upload any videos, but I am here again with you guys with this delicious recipe which is called tacos de molida or ground beef tacos, however you want to call it. Remember to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell because we will be uploading more often the videos, okay? So here are all the ingredients that we will be using. We will need about 2 pounds of ground beef, about 1 onion or 2 onions if you like it a lot, some salsa verde, some peppers to taste, some chopped lettuce, a couple of tortillas, about 2 pounds. Well, it's up to you guys. And we'll need salt, pepper, garlic powder, and vegetable oil. Very simple ingredients, and this recipe, I know guys, you are going to like it because it's simple to do, it's not complicated, and it's gonna be delicious. If you cannot find soft tortillas, you can use the shelled hard tortillas, which are gonna be also good for this recipe. So I've added some oil to this skillet, and I'm going to add the peppers. You can use these arbol peppers, or you can use jalapeno peppers, any pepper of your choice as long as it's spicy. So just put it in here in the oil, add the onions. You really are going to need a little bit of oil for this because we are going to use this oil to cook our onions and also to cook our meat. So just put enough so that because right now, you know what is happening is that we are making this so that all the flavors that there are in the onion and the peppers are going to be here in the oil, so that later on when we cook our meat, this flavor is going to be amazing. So fry your onions and your peppers as you can see here, and after they are cooked, just add them in a plate or someplace else because we are going to use them later. So here is the leftover oil that I told you guys, but right now it has a lot of flavor because it has all the flavor of the fried onion and the peppers, and it's not spicy, I promise you. So we're gonna add our meat. You can use 100% beef, or you can use half of the pork ground beef and half of the beef ground meat. So however you want to use it. We're gonna season this with some salt, garlic powder, and a little bit of pepper. If you live in the United States, I suggest you use the Goya seasoner. That's gonna be the only seasoner you're gonna need because it has a lot of herbs and a lot of flavor. So if you are in the US, I suggest you buy the Goya one. But if not, with salt, pepper, and garlic powder is enough. So we're gonna cook our meat. As you can see, it has been like 20 minutes and our beef is ready. Just keep an eye on it, and that is enough. And right now, guess what? We are ready to serve our tacos, which is gonna be very simple. Okay, so here we're gonna add a little bit of oil in the comal. I don't know how to say it in English, but here in Mexico it's called comal. So just add a little bit of vegetable oil, and we're gonna place our tortillas upside down because we want to heat them up a little bit. Because if you don't heat them up, your taco comes like it breaks up and everything. So we don't want that. So just heat up your tortillas with the oil, and you are going to start by adding the meat. I like to use probably half of the spoon of meat, but this is a big spoon, you see, it's almost big as my hand. So this is gonna be just up to you if you wanna add a lot of meat or little meat. however you want to serve your tacos is up to you. If you want to use soft tortillas or hard tortillas, it's just up to you. But trust me guys, like this is more than enough. It looks simple and all that, but trust me guys, the flavor is going to be amazing, okay? So here I'm going to, my tortillas are already nice and soft and everything. So I'm going to place my tacos here in this plate that I have. And we're going to serve these tacos with a little bit of lettuce. Chopped lettuce is fine. Any lettuce of your choice that you like is good. And that is it guys. So the peppers and the onions that we fried at the beginning, we're gonna add them right now, and you will see how much flavor this gives to your tacos. We're gonna eat this with the salsa of your choice, and guess what guys, we are done. And here is my lovely husband trying out these tacos. And remember guys, for tacos you need lemon juice, which is gonna give a pop of flavor. Remember guys to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and I will see you, and I will try to make my best to upload a new video next Wednesday. Okay, so see you next time.